Next up we have Maude Latour from Columbia University now, right? But you have an eclectic background. You grew up in Sweden and Japan and like all over the place, right?
Kind of, basically. Hong Kong, yeah, Sweden, and right here I went to Pier City 9 right next door. So.
The first time I heard this song, I thought, you know, it had a more European sound to it. So, you know, kind of without reading your bio and stuff. So can you talk a little bit about like your influences and how this came about?
I guess just about kind of a line that's made its way in there, like just because you're alone doesn't mean you're lonely. And this song is some form of like coming of independence for me. Yeah, totally.
So kind of like you're protecting your free time in a way.
Totally, definitely.
Yeah. It's all right. It's all right to be alone, right?
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah. It doesn't mean that you're lonely. That's exactly right. And I love that image of the superfruit, and I see that you have the pomegranates up there in your photo.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Which is a superfruit, right?
No, it's actually, it's not.
It's not a superfruit?
You know?
So is that like a little... Yeah.
It's, I don't know.
Isn't it like a high antioxidant fruit or no?
It's a good fruit. Heavy on antioxidants for sure.
Yeah.
But... yeah, no, I just love pomegranates, and I like the way they look.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Right. So technically, it's not a superfruit.
No.
Now, can you tell us a little bit about what we can expect next? You're working on a record, or what are you doing?
Yeah. Well, I'm in college right now. I don't know. I'm still putting out different songs that we've finished, but yeah, I guess keep and tune in for more music. Yeah.
So you're kind of creatively exploring right now?
No, I'm putting out songs. Yeah, I mean, I think it's cool. I've had a lot of fun being able to work with people from Columbia, and like Levi I met through Columbia, and I took all the album covers with people from Columbia, film students who want to make music videos. We've made videos together, and so I guess I definitely think being at college and like juxtaposing my education with music has they've both influenced each other so much. So I think that's been a really fun part of the process.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Definitely, I had always been in a habit of writing about the same, like kind of needing some romance story or something to inspire me. But I think I started changing my muse recently, and I started writing all my songs for my best friend, and suddenly things just started flowing in a different way. And like, I think, kind of breaking the mold of what you think you're supposed to be writing about, and so much of like what I've learned in school, and like I've always been really politically active, and I've always really wanted to combine like what I want to do like outside of music and in music. So I think really evaluating like what the realm of what you can sing about, because it can be about making like change politically or like what you think about the world today. So make sure to write.